Now it's time to block and sand and get a smooth finish that's ready for paint. Looks like we're in some kind of weird decompression chamber. Not true. We're in the paint booth. This is a fun part. This is where the magic happens. And I have with us today Pete from BASF Paints. He's going to tell us a little bit about the paint and why is it good for this particular kind of car, classic cars. Pete, tell me.
Dan, it's the perfect product because it covers all the key features that classic car owners are looking for. Performance, durability, gloss, and it's really the state-of-the-art product for all classic cars and show cars.
Well, we chose it, and we are looking forward to seeing this color. I mean, we mixed the color, it looks great. So I need your help though. I need your muscles because we're gonna have to push the car into the booth.
I'm here for you.
It's not a big deal. Come on, let's
do
do
it.
it.
All right.
So now let's get her back together. Electrical parts like the coil and the... Hey, nice car.
Thanks a lot. Hey, I heard you guys were working on my buddy's Mustang.
Who's your buddy?
Robert.
Yes, we are.
Awesome, man. Well, listen, I've got here a set of original style wheels I'd like to donate for the build.
Grab it. Let me see him.
All right.
You have a set of wheels for him?
We got a full set. I think this will probably enhance the car better than the hubcaps he has on there now.
Yes, he does. We have those old hubcaps.
Yeah, I think this will give it a nicer look.
You're a good friend.
Hey, listen, that's what friends are for.
Wow, thank you very much.
Yeah,
He's going to love this.
I'm sure he will.
Wow, let's get the rest of them in.
All right.
National Parts Depot is here. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
These are parts for the Mustang. Beautiful, beautiful. Just what I needed. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right. Remember those new shocks we got from New Jersey Auto Parts? Well, they went in with no problem. McGuire's is here. Let's see what they got. We're here with Dave from McGuire Cleaning Products, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we have all these different products on here. I want you to tell me a little bit about what we have. There's 4 different products there. What do we do?
Well, what we're going to do is, in order to get this to a show car finish, we're going to go with a color sanding step. Then we're going to compound that out with our compounds here.
Okay.
Polish it up, make that color look deep and glossy, and then finish it up and make sure that car's ready to go to the next car shop.
All right, well, let's get to it.
Sure, absolutely. Let's rock and roll.
Robert, we're finally here. Now, I have a question for you. How long do you think it would have taken you to fix the Mustang?
I think I'd still be waiting.
You still be waiting?
Yeah.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Well, underneath the cover here is the Mustang. But before I show you this, I want to tell you that we have a lot of extras, and here's one for you. This is compliments of McGuire's. It's a paint restoration kit, and I want to make sure you keep the paint in tip-top shape. Why should we wait any longer? Let's do it.
Let's do
We're
it.
going to reveal the car, and we're going to show you exactly what you've been waiting for. Guys, give me a hand with this cover.
Oh my.
Take a look,
Oh my
Robert.
gosh, are you kidding me? I have no words to describe. I can't believe it. I cannot believe this is my car.
You have a beautiful 66 Mustang. Guys, give yourself a round of applause for doing such a great job.
Thank you.
All your help.
Thank you.
Everybody did a great job.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much.
Hey, if you want to be on our TV show, go to our website, backYardClassicsTV.com. Send us your story, and we'll see what happens. See you next time.